Melmetal. That's a little silver card here. Now, I am only a collector. I'm not really a player. Now, from what I understand, some of these cards are actually good in play versus some of them are more collectibles more than anything else. Personally, I'm after some of the OG cards. You know, the 151 sets, first and second gen, you know. I might create packs with all of these. We'll see depending on the interest, as most of them won't be of any interest to me personally. I should have looked for the 151 packs instead. They were harder to find. Bigger boxes, only the bundles. But I do really like some of the full arts in this series. Galvantula. Archaludon, another full art. So far this one's pretty fun. Again, this is my first opening in years, so we've gone through half of our stack so far, and let's see what all of our pulls got us. Alright, so this is the best cards that we got out of it. Gargonicle, Briar, Grand Tree, Reboot, Melmetal, Galvantula EX, Archaludon. Looking good. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next video where we'll go through the rest of these, and hopefully maybe I'll do it through a live stream and it can be a bit more interactive. And yeah, see you guys next time.